Hey y'all, Keeney coming to you with another pro tip of the day. So we've got this '04 Mustang in the garage this afternoon, and if you've ever had to replace a flywheel, you will know that there are several ways that you can hold the flywheel and or crankshaft in place to keep it from rotating while you torque the flywheel mounted bolts into place. So if you are by yourself and or if you have a car that doesn't have a great spot to stick a ratchet in on the crank pulley or a pry bar on the teeth of the flywheel or anything else that you can get access to hold everything in place, then this is how you hold everything together while you torque down those bolts in the middle. So let me get rolled under this car and flip this camera around. And you're probably gonna be upside down for this. I'm going to try to mount this phone in a place where it's not going to fall and hit me in the face. We will see how successful I am. There it is. Okay, so we're under here. We got our flywheel mounted up. We know that when you go to actually torque the flywheel, the whole thing rotates, and that's the issue. So super simple solution for this to do by yourself. Take just one of your pressure plate bolts and thread that in, and then also take one of your bell housing bolts and thread that in a little bit. Now you can take pretty well any wrench. I just got a basic combination wrench, and you can mount that between the pressure plate bolt and the bell housing bolt. So when you rotate this flywheel around, the open end will jam right onto the bell housing bolt, and then you can get your normal torque. It'll hold it right steady for you. Let's see if I can get in here and get a little closer view and probably spin your right side up. That's it. That's all there is to it. Just a simple wrench and 2 bolts to hold that thing steady. So, hope this was helpful. And that is all that I got for you in this video. So I will catch y'all in the next one.